first step of a building construction is excavating the foundation, which can be done by using mechanical machines and can be done manually. Here we are using a excavator, which is followed by the stone soiling work. Either you can perform a brick soiling work and then you have to perform a PCC work of plain cement concrete. Here we are constructing an underground building where we have a design of a mat foundations. So rebar mat is provided. If we are supposed to construct an underground building, it should have a shear wall. Here you can see a formwork of a shear wall, and the concreting of a shear wall is being done by using a RMC. Here is the result after removal of a mold of shear wall. You can see how beautiful this is, a finishing work of a concrete of a shear wall. Now the next part of a building construction is constructing a mold or a formwork of a slab. This is the mold of a beam, which is followed by the mold of a slab, or you can say a formwork of a slab. Here's a complete detail of a formwork of slab, how it is constructed, how the supports are provided, how the beam mold are placed. It is quite useful for those who are very new at a site and working as a site engineer. You have to properly take care of this support, like a props pipe, the spacing between a props pipe, the spacing between a batten, level of a beam and level of a formwork, how the battens are provided. If you are new at a site as a site engineer, even you can discuss with your well experienced masons. Now casting of slab is another part of a building construction, and it is also considered as a important part of a building construction work. This is the look of the structure after completing